Hello, folks. Marcelo Torres with TradeWiser with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. Let's get started. All right, folks. Just to remind you guys that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks and on podcast version as well. So please follow me. It's not much for you guys, but it means a lot for me. I have to overpass the 1,000 users on YouTube in order to release some features for us. Okay, so it's a win-win thing. I'll win these features and I'll release these new stuff for you guys. Okay, so please follow me there. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Okay, reminding you guys that this analysis is educational analysis. It's not a financial advisory. All right. Okay, let's get started here on the fear and greed index. It is 75 right now, and it was 76 yesterday. But by the way things are rolling, it looks like we're going to go down. Right now, it's trying to hold on the level of support of the 75, but it looks to me that it's going to go test the level 71. All right. So let's keep a keen eye here to see what is going to go on. Let me put here, yeah, the 3 month, we can see it better. So there's a nice support here on the level 70, 72, 71. So it might go close there somewhere if the market doesn't switch its direction. All right. So let's see how the cryptocurrency world is looking like right now. It is red. So when we look at the Binance balance, we can see that we have only 99 pairs going positive, and we have 843 pairs going negative. So what we can see here is that the market is going short. By saying this, let's see how many pairs with BTC we have going short. There's 33 pairs right now. We have only one, two, three, four, five. We have five pairs with BTC that just done its top reversal and starting to move down. But some of them and a lot of others are with a lot of short gains already. Okay, so keep a keen eye here to try to make some money. Moving forward, just to remind you guys, tomorrow we have it just changed here, sorry. We have the Bitcoin CME future options expiration date. See, as you guys can see right here. So my question is, it looks like they already did the profit. They already made the profit realization today. It looks like they did that. I'm not sure if they're going to try to do a very strong bouncing in order to go back again, or to drop again, or we are already starting to go down, as I'm going to show you guys on the weekly chart. Okay, moving forward, as you guys know, we have there's the principle of the confirmation on the Dow theory, which says that if we want to see what one asset is doing, choose another asset that moves very, very similar in order to figure out what your main asset is doing. All right. So I chose BNB. Why is that? I don't believe that Binance is going to leave the Binance coin alone. They are going to try to profit when they know that the market is going to go up, and they are going to try to profit when they know that the market is going down. So you guys can notice that when Bitcoin moves, the Binance coin moves as well. So right now it just dropped and it's moving back. Okay, so on the 4 hour chart, we can see that there's some room to go down. At least we have some strong signals saying that it wants to go down. We only don't have a signal on the MACD, but there's a intention to give us a sell signal as well. So I'm asking myself, if they just did that sharp drop and they're going to move up, since the market is trying to break out the downtrend channel, or if yes, we are going to go down again. Let's see if this channel was already broken out. Let's see if we go to the maximum, we could say that yeah, maybe it did. But if we stay on its on the candle body, on the candlestick body, we can see that it didn't break out yet. So it can still come back inside the downtrend channel and keep its move, a negative move. All right. So we have to keep a keen eye here, because on the 4 hour chart, the BNB coin is suggesting that we might see a negative Bollinger blast, and if that happened, it means it's going to drop more. All right, but considering that 22.15 is a good price for the BNB coin, and if they know that it's going to drop, I guess it would have already dropped. Okay, since it still didn't go there, I'm asking myself if we're gonna see some bouncing going on during the night until tomorrow, and then from there we might see a sharp drop. Well, we have to keep an eye here and see how it's going to move. Let's go for the daily chart for the BNB. As you guys can see, it tried to break over the red downtrend line, and it did, but it came back. So there's no breakout happening right now. Okay, a lot of volume for now, but we didn't see this volume exceeding. So I'm asking myself if we are going to see something positive. As you guys can see, we have mixed signals on the daily chart for the BNB. So stochastic is asking itself, do I want to go negative, or I want to keep on moving positive with my histogram? See, the histogram is going positive. So we just have to see the lines going positive as well. All right. We just saw on the daily chart, as you can see today, we had the short-term trend going positive. So looks like it is starting to revert the negative move. And we can see this also on the volume wave. So my expectation is to see this guy moving up, but we still have to see how that's going to go on. All right. Don't just think, yeah, the daily chart is going up, so everything is nice and neat. Be careful. Okay. Moving for the Bitcoin, we can see that it gave us a candlestick pattern called uh, tweezer bottom, which means a bottom reversal. Not only that, we have a very huge uh, down shadow, lower shadow. It's very long, suggesting that no, I no longer want to go down. This is on the 1 hour chart. We have a lot of candles on the 1 hour, so it could just be doing a bouncing. I don't know. As you can see, these candles are breaking out the Bollinger Band. So it has to move up anyway. So what is it doing right now? It is going sideways, at least. Okay, at least if it goes sideways, we the prices could get in again to the Bollinger Band. So let's see how that's going to go on. On the meantime, we see indicators starting to move up. We only don't we need to see positive on the MACD. That's going to take a while because it's a follower. It's so it takes a while before it confirms that it's going positive. But we can see a positive. A doubt, but almost going positive on the relative strength index and on the price spread. Okay. So, and we do have on the 1 hour chart, we do have a buy sell trend signing positive move, suggesting that it might sign a positive move. Right now, we only have the the upper trend green triangle. If it shows up a red one, boom, there we go. We have a positive down. We have a positive uptrend, short term trend. So this might make things move up. At least that's what stochastic is telling us as well. Okay, so let's keep a keen eye here to see how this thing is gonna move. All right. But now let's go for the 4 hour chart, which is the most important one. And it also does give us a lower shadow, suggesting that it no longer wants to go down. And if we check out the the negative waves on the MACD, on the volume wave, on the price spread, and on the stochastic, we can see that these waves are not uh, they can't read. They're not going towards the same level down of the previous wave. So the bottom that they are doing right now is still higher than the previous one, which suggests us that it doesn't want to go down anymore. And so we start to get a lot of clues here, which starts to show us that we might see a bouncing, at least a bouncing, right? And we do have here the downtrend channel just going down in the meantime. So let's see if it's gonna work as once more as a resistance, and at that time we can try to profit some money right here. Okay, so keep a keen eye here. Now we go on the daily chart. The daily chart still suggests that we are going down. We are going down. Okay, we see negative signs on the daily chart, and in order for it to complete the target level for this wedge figure right here, we should see prices reaching 50% Fibonacci exactly at 10,800. Will that be possible? Well, it's not that far. It's like 400 bucks lower than the price we see right now for the current price. So I don't know. We might see that. But check this out. We also have here, as we do on the BNB, we also have here the buy sell trend almost giving us a negative Bollinger blast. If that happens, man, we are going down. Okay, so let's keep a keen eye on the next few hours to see what is going to go. What helps us here is that the candles all already touching the lower Bollinger Band. So they won't have a lot of lifetime going down, breaking out of the Bollinger as it is happening on the Binance coin, the BNB. So let's see what is gonna go on. Keep a keen eye here. And as I showed you guys like 2 days ago, on the weekly chart, it is suggesting a downtrend. As I told you guys, look at this right here. It is suggesting that it is going down. And as the day passes, this whole week, it's going down slightly and going down and going down. So the question is, are we going to see this guy going up? Not sure, since we have divergency going on all over the chart with the stochastic, with the volume wave, and with the money pressure. Okay? So I would say that phrase that I like to say, we are on a decision moment. Okay, so we have to see what Binance is going to do. Reminding you guys that tomorrow we do have Bitcoin CME expiration date, future expiration date. Okay, so I'm asking myself, aren't we going to see just a slight move up before going down again? Not sure. I'm asking myself also, did this this sharp drop happened due to the fact that they are moving out of the Bitcoin for the expiration date. It not necessarily has to happen on the same day as the expiration date. It could happen 1 to 2 days prior to the expiration date. So look like we have something here, and we have to keep our eyes right now because the next few hours are going to be a decision hours. All right, I'm positioned on Bitcoin. I'm losing a little bit right now. I'm already positioned on my stop gain. If it just goes flash up and toof, toof, goes up and down, I'm out. All right, and actually I'm going to adjust my price, because since it keeps on going down, I'm not sure if it's going to go back to the price that I set for my stop gain. But anyways, that's how it works. You have to go with some risk. All right. Okay, folks, that's it for today. Hopefully you guys liked it. Please go down there right now. Give me your like, follow me, and share it with your friends. Okay, folks? For this, with this analysis on hand, now it is showtime. Take care.